Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add TripAdvisor reviews to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elf site, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the review section, and right down here, you'll see the reviews from TripAdvisor. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking this arrow here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this grid template. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 6 options here, which are Source, Layout, Header, Reviews, Style, and Settings. In the Source option, you can insert the URL of your TripAdvisor business link in this column. For this demo, I will use the reviews from Harry Potter Studio Tour in London. Just go to the TripAdvisor website, copy the URL of the place by highlighting it, click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Elf site, then paste the URL here. Click Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Paste. You can manage the AI-generated summary in this tab and choose whether to display or hide it by clicking this switch. And if you want to display the summary, you can choose the style here and click back once you've done. I want to hide this summary, so I will just toggle this switch off and click back. You can also filter and sort the reviews if you need to. Next, we move on to Layout. Here you can choose how you want your reviews to be displayed, whether it is carousel, grid, and many more. I'll stick with this grid layout. After that, you can go down here and customize the width, columns, rows on desktop and mobile, item spacings, and to hide or display the Load More button. Now we move on to Header, where you can display or hide the header and the widget title. If you want to show the header, you can click here and choose the style and elements that you want to display. Then if you want to show or hide the widget title, you can click here and then edit the title and caption here. Next, we move on to the review option, where you can change the style of your reviews and the source. Click this button right here if you want to select more customizing options like name, picture, date, review text, and click back once you've done. After that, you can go to the style option, where you can change the color scheme to light or dark, choose the accent color, and change the font. If you want to customize the style of each element, you can explore the steps here and change them one by one. For example, I want to change the background of this widget to white. You can also set the padding size here and click back. Lastly, in the settings option, you can change the language and edit text of the reviews, enable links, and change the rating format. And once you are ready to add a widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elf site. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this big Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan at the very left by clicking this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, then click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the website code here by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste and click Update. After that, you just need to adjust the size of your widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Adjust the size of the section by dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elf site. So here, I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. Right-click your widget and click Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have TripAdvisor reviews on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.